a big man, he was 6'1". He brought home an organ just to have some fun. The pressure got too much, stardom takes its toll. Oh, his life's just one big black hole. Whoa, Desmond, should've held your head up high and not get dispirited when the feeling gets you down. As I sat there watching Desmond acting like a clown, my tears come falling down like rain. My tears come falling down like rain. Now Alton was a hard man, yes we can agree. He sacrificed life for his family. The policeman come and put him in a jail. Whoa, should've heard old Alton wail. Whoa, Alton, should've held your head up high and not get dispirited when the feeling gets you down. And now they come and tell me he's lying dead in a cell. My tears come falling down like rain. My tears come falling down like rain. Moved up to Tilehurst when I was 8 years old. I didn't want to, had to do what I was told. My mama brought me up, taught me right from wrong. Every night she'd sing a little song. Oh children, gotta hold your head up high and not get dispirited when the feeling gets you down. When I think about my family, the joy just makes me cry. My tears come falling down like rain. My tears come falling down like rain.